Ran his mouth, so he took his phone and he went to the bathroom and proceeded to slam the door, ripped the towel hook off the door, shoved his mum. I don't know why he's doing that. It's not that you just snatched his phone away. It's like a game of tit for tat. You're playing a game of tit for tat with your child. Is this fun? Is this the kind of parent you want to be? You are in your upper 30s, your child is 14-year-old, and you're playing the same game? What's the use of being in your late 30s? You're just doing exactly the same thing that your child is doing. Of course, he shoved his mum, that's not okay. It seems to be an ongoing tit for tat thing. The issue is that you want to have power over your child, but your child doesn't want that, which is fair. Nobody wants that. There's an unhealthy cycle going on, and things are only escalating from both sides. And we don't want that, right? We want things to change. Now, how does change happen? You do something out of the cycle. And when you do something out of the routine, you'll feel that you're giving away your power to the child. And that's okay. You need to be fine with that. Then this thing would not be an issue anymore. Then start a new pattern. I'm sure your child would really, really appreciate it. And because you are in your late 30s and not 14-year-old, let's just say it is your responsibility to do something out of the cycle. You take the first step. The first step that you do needs to be in cooperation with your wife. Have a discussion. What can we do? How do we support the child? We need to start again from the very beginning. That it's going to be kind of really, really difficult from what I can understand. So I would suggest you take someone's help. I don't know whose help. Maybe a relative who has a child. The ones who you tell the situation to and they don't take your side. Take that person's help. Bring them into your house, explain, let them see what's happening, and probably share with your son too that, hey, things aren't going well. That's why we brought someone here who's going to help us a little bit, because this is not what we want, do we? If you don't have a relative, hire a nanny, a babysitter. Your son has a teacher in his school, talk to the teacher, ask for advice. It's not a huge issue. The only issue here is that your priorities are not great, and it can be solved easily.